Hello, class. Greg Knight here. Um, I'm going to got a couple of messages from you guys concerning Lab 8 using scripting tools. I'm going to just record working that lab here for you. So let me share the screen here and we'll kind of run through that really quick. It's pretty straightforward. I'm sorry you guys are having trouble, but as long as you follow the instructions that's outlined inside the lab, it should work as expected. But let me share the screen and get this going for you. I've already got the lab started within Lab on Demand, so just bear with me here just a second. All right, guys, you see the screen here that I'm sharing. This is inside the Learn Lab on Demand site that you have access to. This is Lab 8 using scripting tools. So in this lab, we're going to practice using scripting tools in order to automate several commands at once. The reason for using something like this, you might have certain series of commands that you would want to run on a regular basis, daily, weekly, or whatever. And if you can build a script using those, it will save you for making mistakes, typos, and it also makes sure that you run the same commands every time without having to remember what they are. It's pretty easy. Even in the process of me doing this and typing this up, I actually left out one of the commands out of the script myself. And so just imagine if you have to type them every time, how easy it would be to overlook. So what we're doing here is we're creating a batch file. In the beginning, I want you to sign into the VM. I've actually already done that here, as you can see on the screen, using the password. Next, we want to start the Notepad application. So we're going to type here and we're going to press enter. All right, got the Notepad up. Next, it actually asks us to enter these commands below. So we're going to enter what you see here. We're going to start typing, and it actually explains what each one of these do here in the lab. So we'll go over that as well. So we're going to do echo off, IP big/all, and we're going to pipe that over to a report. We've got another echo command. And just make sure you realize I'm actually doing this work in the Notepad. I'm doing it inside the VM, which is a lab within Lab on Demand. I'm not doing this actually on my own computer. This is within the VM computer that's we have access to. So keep that in mind. It's very important. This may not work exactly the same on your own computer, because some of you aren't even using a Windows computer. Some of you are using Macs. So keep that in mind. All right, so these commands here that we have listed: echo off, suspends output being written to the command prompt. ipconfig piping to report.txt calls the system command to produce a network configuration summary and redirects or pipes its output to a text file. And then the remainder of the script waits for the user to press a key and then opens the report in Notepad, right? So that's basically what's happening here with this. So at the end of typing all that, we're going to click on File, and we're going to go to Save As. All right, the location that we're in right here is in Documents folder, right? It actually gives us a name to name it. We're going to say save the type as all files, and we're going to give it a name test.cmd. All right. And we're going to click save. We're going to close Notepad. All right, so it's saved there. All right, so we're going to start the command prompt. You can do it several different ways. And this one, it says click start, scroll down, and expand Windows system. And then we're going to choose command prompt. There's various ways to get the command prompt. That's the way it suggests here. And then we're going to type in the following to run the script file that we just created. So it's located in Documents. And we are not in the Documents folder right now, so we have to direct it there. And we're going to say test.cmd. We're going to press enter. All right, so it ran the report, and right now the echo command that we typed in, press a key to view the report, pops up. So we're going to press any key. We'll just press the space bar, and it opens up the report, which is the contents of the report is the output of a ipconfig all. All right, so at that point we've actually completed all the steps. All right, if you wanted to submit this to Blackboard to show that you're done, let's take a snip of this, save it, submit it to Blackboard for Lab 8, and you have completed the assignment. That's all I got. Thanks, and look for more recordings. And as you guys have questions about these, please always let me know. And if enough of you have trouble with it, then or maybe even just one of you, then I'll make sure that you have some type of support to get you through it. All right, thanks. Have a good day.